So in this lecture, I'm going to be showing you how you can create unlimited YouTube channels, which is going to be really important because the ability to make unlimited YouTube channels is going to be game changing for you. Because, you know, if you normally try to create more than one or two channels, or maybe in total three channels with one phone number, you can do that. But if you try to make more than 3 channels with one phone number, Google is going to block your phone number, and you won't be able to make any new channels. So that's why, instead of just buying new mobile phones, buying new phone numbers, I'm going to show you how to get that done for absolutely free, how to get those phone numbers for absolutely free over and over again and create unlimited YouTube channels, because that's what you're going to need to create consistent income coming in every single month. You're going to need a lot of channels, so that's why I'm showing you how to create unlimited channels. So as you can see, once you start creating your Gmail account, new Gmail account, new YouTube channel, you're going to need to enter a phone number again. So what I highly recommend you do, what I highly recommend you do is you can search for different temporary phone numbers on Google, and this is my favorite one. So it's receive-SMSS, so it's double S right here. I'm probably gonna zoom this .com, and as you can see, receive SMS online instantly. Receive SMS. ReceiveSMS.com is a free service for receiving SMS messages and voice emails online. There is no need to register. Just select your phone number from the list below. You can use it to receive messages from Facebook, Telegram, WeChat, VK, PayPal, Alipay, and more. And we're going to be using it to receive messages from Google. So this is like a temporary phone number. This is like your temporary phone number, and you will just enter your, as you can see, you can just open right here. You will enter this you will enter this phone number right here. You will just enter that. Let me just delete this. You will enter that right here, and you will receive a message down below. As you can see, and there are hundreds of different people using the same service. So if it doesn't work, you will just try some different number. You have different numbers right here. You can try different numbers, and you will receive your code right here. As you can see, someone just received a code for Uber code right here. Or as you can see, they're receiving different messages, different verifications codes on this phone number, and you will basically see here. You know, you received the message like 2 minutes ago, and then you will see your Gmail code is right here. You will just copy that real quick, and you will paste it in your Google account. Or if this website doesn't work for you, you have, as I said, you have hundreds of different such services that you can use. But I have been mainly using this one, but you can of course use maybe this one, maybe this one. You know, try as many of this as possible. That way you have like thousands of different phone numbers that you can choose and just enter right here and create unlimited YouTube channels. So that's how you create unlimited YouTube channels. I will see you in the next lecture.